Hi everyone, and welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we're going to be making some really fun shakers with my new silicone molds. So I got 5 new molds and take a look, they are so cute. These are the bottoms of animals. So here I have a kitty cat one, a duck, a panda bear, a fox, and a bunny. So we're going to be using epoxy resin and make some shakers out of these. Supplies that you're going to need are some pigments. So I have a variety of colors and pinks, yellows, blacks, and oranges. We have some glitter and some fillings here on the other side that I'm going to be using towards the end. And of course I also have my epoxy resin. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I want to do is take this fox mold and add some white pigment to this section, the tip of the tail. So I'm going to take my little makeup applicator, dip it in some of this white powder, and this is just regular white pearl pigment powder, and we're going to carefully paint this top part here. On the next two, we're going to color the paw prints here pink. So I'm going to be using UV resin. This way it'll be cured before we pour the next layer. Now let's go ahead and measure out some resin. I'm going to pour 50 grams of each part for a total of 100 grams. Now we're going to mix the two parts really well. After separating the resin into separate cups, we're going to add the pigments and mix well. Now we're going to pour the colors into the molds. For each shaker, I'm going to use 2 colors. Here, I'm using a heat gun to pop the bubbles. Alright everyone, so it has been a day and the resin has cured and we are ready to demold. So let's go ahead and take them out and see what it looks like. It is so shiny on the back. I hope the other side is good. And here is the panda. I think the back looks better than the front. What do you think? A lot of the white leaked into the bottom side. This one is the duck. Oh, this one turned out really cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, here is the cat. Oh, this cat one's actually really cute. Kind of see-through. Here is the fox. Oh, this one turned out really good. And here's the bunny. And the bunny is super cute. Next, we're going to add some fillings. Taking our UV resin, we're going to add a thin layer of UV resin all the way around the edges of our shaker. Then we'll carefully put the shaker film on top, making sure that it's sealed all the way around. And then we'll cure it under the UV lamp for a few minutes. After adding the film, we're going to mix more resin and add a thin layer of resin on top. This will cover the film to make it stronger and also to hide the edges of the film. Then we're going to let it sit for about 12 hours for it to cure. Alright everyone, so it's been about 12 hours and our shakers are almost done. So right now everything is sealed in and what we have are some dried shakers. So here is the bunny rabbit, here is the little fox, here's the kitty cat with all the hearts, here's our little panda bear, and here is the duck. So you can actually leave it as a dry shaker or we can also fill it up with water. So what I'm going to do is actually fill these up with water. And they should not leak because we did add a layer of resin over the film. So everything should be sealed in pretty nicely. And the final step is to seal the hole with some UV resin. So we are just going to dab a tiny bit of UV resin right over the hole. And then we're going to seal it. Once it's sealed, water should not leak out of it. And here we go, we have our first shaker. Let's go ahead and fill the other ones. So when you fill it up with water, you can leave a little air bubble in there if you like, or you can fill it completely to the top. Alright everyone, and we are finally done. Oh my goodness, this took quite a few days. So here is our bunny one with the stars. We got a few pearls in there and some sprinkles. Here is the panda one. Oh, this one turned out so cute. This one is the cat one, just in time for Valentine's. Here's a little ducky, it has little bows and clear balls. And the last one here is the fox. This one's super cool. It's a little bit transparent in the back. Alright everyone, so here are the 5 shakers that we made today. So, do you have a favorite one? Let me know down below in the comment section, and I'll see you next time. Bye!